লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে ইউটিউব এপিসোড নাম্বার 40 এপিসোডটা আজকে আমি ডেডিকেট করছি টু অল দ্য আর্টিসানস অ্যান্ড ক্রাফটসম্যান অফ বেঙ্গল। আজকে আমি বেঙ্গল হ্যান্ডলুমের ওপর প্রোডাক্টস দেখাবো। বেঙ্গল ইজ রিচ ইন ভ্যারাইটি অফ ফ্যাব্রিক্স, হ্যান্ডলুমস, জামদানি, weave, stitches. So this is a very few of the products that is very famous in Bengal. So let's start product number 1. Bengal handloom cotton with matha par. This is a lovely weave in greyish blue color, powder grey color, with weaves. See, actually, these sarees, the weave are very intricate. They are not very loud, very conspicuous, but these little weaves. See, there are three forms of weave in this. In between, there's a katha weave. In between the orange lines. So these are very intricate weaves and mainly the cotton. These cottons are very comfortable cotton with double matha par, and this is the pallu part. Beautiful woven pallu with tassels. Product number 1 with running blouse piece. Only 2200 rupees. This is the blouse piece. These are lovely sarees to wear during summer and also to office wear. For corporate wear, for gifting elderly people, also to mothers, they'll really find it very, very comfortable. This is the whole look in Bengal cotton. Product number 1, 2200 rupees only. You can starch it if you want, but I personally like them very soft and comfortable. So I myself don't starch them, but of course you can starch these sarees. They will be very good if you want crisp cottons. Same thing in black. Of course, the black and red is always our favorite combination with very intricate. I'll show you very closely the weave. See, there are 3 lines, 2 white in between red, and this red matha par. Here goes the pallu. The pallu weave is with silver grey color. This is not zari. This is all pure khadi cotton, pure handloom cottons. This is the blouse piece, black. Again, tassels here with lovely weaves in the pallu. This is the tassels. This is the full saree. Very smart looking. You can wear, printed blouse with this also, but I think the saree blouse itself is also very nice, or a cotton blouse in red also. See, this is the look. Very smart sarees. Product number 2, and this is price rupees. Product number 2, 2200 rupees. So if you're liking the products, you have to take the screenshot of the product where the description is mentioned. So you can just have to WhatsApp me. Once the payment is made, we will ship it within a day or 2. You have to send the screenshot of your transfer and it will be couriered. Cash on delivery applicable only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, it will always be via courier, and even internationally. Just see the beauty of this saree. Ever elegant, not necessarily only the elderly people will wear off-whites. This is a lovely white saree with temple weave. This is a khadi grey color dual tone border, and just see the beautiful temple weave. These are the skills of the craftsman. This is the all over buta. One is in beige and one is in black. This is the pallu. The pallu will have ghicha tassar weaving in the pallu. This is the tassar weaving pallu part, and this is the grey color blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and this is the whole saree. Gorgeous, rich look. At the same time, it's pure cotton and absolutely hand woven. This is the look. So of course there are more colors, but these are the best colors that I thought you would like, so I've just selected these colors. So for more options you have to visit the store. Sometimes these are hand woven, so these always stock is not available. Like now I'm showing this stock, so now you will get the full stock in the branches, in both the branches. We have 2 stores in Kolkata. One is in 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The other one is 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, front desk car park, and Sundays we are closed. The rest of the days, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we are open. We have tailoring unit also. We have menswear section in the Cornfield Road branch only. Plus we have dupattas, jewelries, clutch bags, more variety of all you need for gifting also somebody. See, this is the look. It's the Agomoni collection, a traditional Bengali white and red combination in Bengal handloom. Again, I'll show you the border once again very closely. Just see how beautiful it is woven. It has a textured feel also, and very good quality cotton with tussar pallu. And this is product number, again if I miss out the product number, kindly check the description part, you will be getting it. I think this is product number 4, and it is 3,500 rupees. Both the sarees are 3,500 rupees. This is also a beautiful cotton. This is the first time I'm showing Bengal handloom, only handlooms. The previous episode I had shown cottons also, but this is another very unique cotton ones that I'm showing. Just see the color. It's dark charcoal black color with beautiful resham weave. One is mathapar and one is this resham weave. Just check the zigzag lovely weave. And then I would show you these buttas all over. Very beautiful small buttas all over with lines. This is the pallu. The pallu with tassels, running blouse piece. I'm showing the whole look so that you can understand the fall of the product, the sari, the get-up, the texture, the count. These are all 100 count cotton. These are not the very single thread ones. These are all 3D threads and all very good heavy quality cottons, which can be worn with junk silver jewelry like what I am wearing. These kind of jewelries also you will get in different colors, different designs, and if you are wearing for corporate wear, then go for just simple look. That will also look very smart. Ganga Jamuna par. Upper part will have the red border, the lower part will have the black temple border. This is the mustard yellow. This is the pallu, Jamdani woven pallu. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and the price is 3,500 rupees. Again, I'll show you. This is the contrast blouse piece in two-tone color, short color. This is the whole look. Very pretty sarees and very traditional. 3,500 all over butta. The saree all over will have butta. Same one, I'll show you few colors, few more colors. All are very good looking colors. This is product number 7, 3,500 rupees. Same one in Jamdani, but in olive green, olive and maroon. These are this is not in Ganga Jamuna. This is maroon double border. This is the look. This is the pallu. See the weave. all over beautiful buta, very rich color, you know. And this is the again the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with border. 3,500 rupees, pure cotton jamdani, all from the weavers. The credit goes to the weavers of Bengal for creating such beautiful weaves and very comfortable, because you know how hot it is in summer in India. So for that, these will be very, very comfortable. Black and red. Pallu, jamdani pallu, red blouse piece, all pure cotton ones, 100% cotton and all hand woven. Same price, 3,500 rupees. And of course red, product number 9, 3,500 rupees. Whenever you are making the bookings, please only message, WhatsApp me. The number, 2 numbers are already being provided. WhatsApp via booking, first come first serve basis. And since we have limited stock, so please be quick in your bookings and your payments also, so that as soon as we receive the payment, we can block it for you. This is the blouse piece in fully red color, bright red combination in pure cotton. This is the sari. This is also very smart design. Product number 10, 3,500 again, in a lovely shade of orange and beige. Very soothing color. Those who love earthy tones, sober color, softer taste, just see the weave. মাছের মোটিভ দিয়ে পুরো বুনইটা করা হয়েছে, সমস্ত উইভিং এর ওপর যাচ্ছে। দেখুন পুরোটা দারুণ সুন্দর কম্বিনেশনটা, পুরোটা উইভিং এর ওপর ডিপ বেজ কালারের সাথে অরেঞ্জ কম্বিনেশন। এটা আসছে আঁচলটা, এবং ব্লাউজটা কিন্তু পুরোটা স্ট্রাইপসেই যাবে, রানিং ব্লাউজে আছে। এবং এটার সাথে ট্যাসেল তো করা পাচ্ছেনই, ট্যাসেলস থাকছে। পুরো শাড়িটা একদম এরকম ভাবে যাবে পুরো। দিস ইজ দ্য লুক। পাটটা ভীষণ সুন্দর, কম্বিনেশনটাও ভীষণ আনকমন। ৩৫০০ টাকার মধ্যে একটা ভীষণ এলিগেন্ট শাড়ি, রানিং ব্লাউজ, বাট আপনারা এটার সাথে অরেঞ্জ বা ব্ল্যাক দিয়েও পরতে পারেন। ইউ ক্যান ওয়্যার আ ব্ল্যাক ব্লাউজ অ্যান্ড জাস্ট অ্যাটাচ দ্য বর্ডার, অর মিক্স অ্যান্ড ম্যাচ উইথ orange and black combination also. If you don't want to waste the fabric, you can make the sleeves out of that and make the body in orange. Same sari in black and red, same weave. It's no zari, it seems zari, but this is resham. This is only resham. The whole episode, these are not zari, all resham. This is the pallu. Red tassels. Again stripe blouse piece. And this. Very smart, black and red, and that also such rich weave. Looks very, very rich. You can easily go wearing this to any formal occasion and you will stand out, because these are hand wovens and very, very, new designs. Designs are also very uncommon. Same thing in Agomoni collection. পয়লা বৈশাখ আসছে, তার জন্য আপনারা নিয়ে রাখতে পারেন। শাড়িটা খুব সুন্দর, একদম মিল্ক হোয়াইট উইথ রেড, সেম জিনিস, হোয়াইট অ্যান্ড রেড, আমাদের বাঙালিদের লাল সাদা খুবই শুভ কম্বিনেশন। আঁচলটা very Bengali taste sari. This is the blouse piece. এই শাড়ির সাথে কিচ্ছু লাগে না, মানে শাখা পলা লাল টিপ, ব্যাস আর কিচ্ছু লাগে না, মানে কম্বিনেশন itself says it all. The previous one was 11A and B. Similarly, I'll show you number 12 also A and B. Just take the screenshot in case I've missed out the numbers. So I'll select the color from your picture itself. This is 12A in a coffee brown color, all two-tone coffee and red combination. A very smart combination with you can wear it with a red blouse, rich red blouse. See how pretty the combination is. This is the pallu. This is the woven blouse piece. The color combination is same, only the weave will differ in the blouse. This has, the body has lines and zigzag. The blouse will only have the zigzag part. So this is the pallu. Multicolored pallu with yellow and red and lovely dark red, and the whole body will have this kind of weave. Very smart, product number 12A, and this is price rupees 3,500 rupees. Similarly, another pretty color, product number 12B, a very new shade, a very fresh shade. Very rare we get these colors in Bengal handlooms. Sky blue and purple. Very fresh color. This is the pallu. These weaves will be in the pallu. These are lovely tassels, and again the woven blouse piece. With these you can make, puff sleeve blouse, looks very smart. 3,500, product number 12B. Now I am coming to tussar. Ghicha tussar, handloom woven. Bengal ghicha. This is the pallu. The pallu will be in lines. These woven lines will come, and very big mohapar. It will come till your knees almost, depending on your height. There is a thread of tussar, ghicha, and also a thread of linen. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. Very smart look and very soft, not the heavy stiff one. These are very soft and very, very comfortable. I'll show you the fall. Just see how I'm draping, and the fall will be so nice. Very, very comfortable. With blouse piece like this, similarly to the pallu. This striped blouse. So we can make, since it has two, this thing, you can make the body in this and the sleeves with this upper part. Just to give it a twist. See the look. So this part, when you're making the darker shade blouse, it will look very nice, and a lighter shade sleeves. Just have to, mix and match and give it a richer look. I'll show you two colors in that. Okay, in case I've missed out, of course I've missed out. Today I'm missing out the prices. This is number 14, 5,850 rupees. 5,850 rupees product price. Pure fabric, very soft, dusty. It's a brownish black color, two-tone with reddish upper part. These are not the bright reds because it is the Tana and Bana is with off-white. Since it's with tussar color and red, so it comes a bit dusty shade red, matte red. This is the pallu. These weaves will be there. And this is the sari. Absolutely, a delight to wear these drapes. Again, I'll show you the blouse before I drape. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Very smart look. Wear it with your silver junks. This is also in tussar, product number 15, episode 45850. Just see the weave, the color, the concept. The texture, main is the texture. These doesn't have the shine, let me tell you. You might say it's a 5,000 rupees sari, it looks so, it doesn't have the shine. No, these are tussar, so these will not have the glaze. In fact, most of my saris, until it's pure silk and all, I don't like very shiny imitation kind of look. These are all matte look, but these are very rich, very elegant, and of course, absolutely very, very classy. It's just the weave, the texture. Here is the blouse piece for this. The blouse piece part will be like the pallu. It will have the red part. The body will not have the red part. Only the border will have little reds. Yeah. Blouse and pallu will be same. Very smart sari with red pom-poms. That was black body, brownish black. This is rust type black, red. Two colors, same price. This is the pallu. Black tassels, 5850. This is the blouse piece. Similar like the pallu, the body will be like this. Just see the texture. This is like what I am wearing. Silk matka, pure silk matka with ghicha woven pallu, zari woven border. See the pallu. This is pure tussar ghicha woven pallu. Price 8,500 rupees in pure silk Bengal matka, zari woven border, running blouse piece all over butta. See, the booty will come till the end. This is the look. You can wear the same blouse or you can wear a magenta color blouse. 8,500 rupees, pure silk matka. I'll show you more colors. I'll tell you about mine also. This is a very soft pastel strawberry pink. Since it has the red border, I've worn it with a red silk blouse. This is the pallu, 8,500 rupees. It has a running blouse, baby pink with the border. The jewelry that I am wearing, it's 4,500 rupees. It doesn't have a earring. 4,500 rupees. It has tassels. It's a choker set, choker neck piece, 4,500. There's another color in this also, green. Just see how smart it looks with this sari. ₹4,500. Here is the tassel with which you can adjust the length. Very smart look with the jade and the rice pearls, the very premium jewelry and very neat finish. This is also from Agumoni collection, milk white and ghicha combination, milk white. Just see how beautiful white and tussar looks, and especially with this red border. You can wear a red blouse with this also, or you can wear a tussar color blouse if you want a subtle look, or I would also try to experiment with a bottle green and red blouse. Very nice saree, very pretty color, milk white, fully milk white, ₹8,500, all over butta. This is in red, deep red, product number 19. Silk with Rani color border, pallu. There are many duplicates in the market. Maybe the design may be the same, but the thread count and the quality finish definitely differs. But these are the pure silk ones with heavy quality thread. The full thread count is there, and it's the handloom product. Dark red, deep red, maroonish red. And the last one, this is also a very cute color, lime green, a very bright one, but looks very nice, very a fresh look. Very nice. Just see the pallu, ghicha pallu. It is slightly neon, but of course it depends on how you carry yourself. Pure silk. It will look very nice at night. You go to parties, this will really look very smart. ₹8,500. This is the last product of this episode. So please do like, share and subscribe if you like the products. Leave a comment and WhatsApp me whichever you are liking. Thank you so much. Namaskar.